Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome account saying post problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Chrome, and first of all, we need to open up the Google Chrome setting. We can click on these three dots and then go to the settings, and after that you're going to go to the privacy and security, and you can scroll down until you find the site settings. Okay, then scroll down again and go to the additional content settings and select the on-device site data. Then make sure you allow sites to save data on your device. Make sure you select this option, and then we're going to add site to the section. I'm going to click on add, and then you have to type in accounts.google.com. Then click on add. Okay, and then you're going to close your Google Chrome and reopening it. Then you can check the problem, whether it has been fixed or not. And then if this trick doesn't work on your Google Chrome, I recommend you to delete your cache and cookies. You can go back to the privacy and security and then go to the delete browsing data. And you can delete the browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and also the cache. Then just click on delete data. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix Google account saying post problem. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.